Say old man Prentice lives there. His wife and daughter died in the fire.
Dad, help me. Everything's on fire.
Kill his ass. You front me $100,000 tonight. You get what I got in the stash house.